Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zip a file with 7-zip. So let's have a look now. Choose the file or folder you want to zip. Right-click on it. Then from the menu, click on 7-zip. Now click on Add to your folder name .zip. Here I set the file name as zip, so it's showing the name of my file. Click on it and it's going to create a zip file. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.